Do you think you could do that?
Yeah.
You need to get all your Megalodons
Okay.
to pull that out for you.
Yeah, I think I need Megalodon.
Watch yourself. Ooh. Okay. We've got this Megalodon.
Okay. Then we need another Megalodon. We have to find son of a duck.
There's the other Megalodon.
Thank you. Where's the Velociraptor?
Okay.
Now we need another Megalodon.
I think they're the only two Megalodons.
Okay.
Right, so you're going to try and recreate Megalodon's backflip. Are you ready?
You have to do a sky one. I did it with my ears. Ouch.
Landed it!
Now we have
Okay, do that one.
landed.
That doesn't count.
It is a bicycle. Cause bicycle plane.
Oh, that was amazing!
Teammate run. Hooray! Two. Oh my God, that's amazing! Yeah! Yeah!
Do you think you could do that race?
Yeah!
Let's go.
Velociraptor first is Sonuva digger. Let's go.
Who's won the first race?
I think he needs to look.
He is over the line. That's Sonuva Digger's first race. Who's going to win the second one?
Velociraptor first. Let's go.
Who won that one? I don't know if he did, but he did do a flip.
Yeah.
Shall we check the instant replay?
Yeah.
It was Velociraptor! Want to do another race with them? Another Velociraptor versus Sonuva Digger. Why do you put Sonuva Digger in this lane this time? That's it.
Maybe a wheelie.
You can try wheelie if you want. Are they going to stay? That didn't quite work, did it?
Nope. Maybe try and do He can do a food wheelie.
I don't think he can. Right, so who have we got?
Velociraptor versus Sonuva digger. Let's go. Velociraptor!
I think Velociraptor's the winner. What do you think?
Yeah. Let's put it in here. Wait, Open. 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 Don't stop. One.
Do you think you could do that?
Yeah.
So what are we doing this time?
Freestyle grader.
Freestyle Gravedigger, and what's he doing? The wheelies?
Yeah.
Ah, donut! You going to a front wheelie? Do you think he can do a flip?
Yeah.
Should we try?
Okay.
Are you ready? So, can he do a backflip, do you think? Let's see if he can do a backflip. Ah! He did a backflip! Oh! Nearly. Try again then. Last one. Ah! He made it! It's a wheelie! That was amazing. What about Earthshaker? So you're just gonna smash. Oh, that was cool. Do it again. Try and do a donut on the monster trucks. Donut. No, not. Wheelie over the monster truck. Oh, that's cool. Ah, that was cool, wasn't it?
Maybe I can do it like the Backflip.
Okay. No, that's me! That's not the monster trucks. I'm not a monster truck. I'm not a monster truck. I'm not a monster truck. Ah, that was cool. Ah, that was cool. Can you do a wheelie on the monster trucks?
Wheelie on the monster.
Yeah, so now try and put it into a wheelie. Oh, that was so cool. Do it again. So put them on the monster trucks. Alright, put it on the monster trucks. That's it, and then try and do a wheelie. Oh, I didn't do it that time. Oh, ow! Are you just trying to get me?